All right, let's talk TikTok. You know, the funny videos where you can watch people dance, sing, jump around, cats sliding across the floor. Well, TikTok is today what YouTube and Instagram were 10 years ago. So, with that being said, it follows more of the social aspects of marketing, whereas if you follow somebody, there's a higher chance that they'll follow you back, which used to be how you could grow your Instagram account, but not anymore. So this may not last a long time, so I highly suggest you jump on it right now after watching this video. There are a few things when you're setting up your account and profile you need to make sure that you have set up. Okay, first you want to change your username, because when you sign up, you'll get the default that says like user name or user 9Q with like 8 numbers and letters. And that's not very human. So what if you're doing it for yourself or your brand, you'll want to use that as your username. You'll want to, of course, change the profile picture. Instead of the little grayed out man, you want to put an actual picture of your face. And you'll want to write a short bio. It limits you to 80 characters. So you want to, like, the first line, tell something about yourself. Like for me, I'm a single dad entrepreneur. Then the next line, I tell them how I can help them. And then I have like the 2 fingerprints going down, and in between there, I have my website, my funnel, lead page, so I can gather traffic and build a market through those people. Because TikTok is, if you use it right, know how to use it, it can really blow up your business really fast. For example, one of the ladies on my team, she started her TikTok account, started being active with it in March of 2020. And then she just kind of shared her story, her progress, her daily life. She was like a mom, stay-at-home mom, and her husband was an over-the-road truck driver. And so, of course, there's not much money available for advertising and stuff like that. Well, this last November of 2020, she personally sold in volume over $100,000 from TikTok alone. Once you reach the 1,000 follower mark, you can go live. You can use just like Facebook Lives. Once you reach 10,000 followers, you can get into the TikTok Creator Fund, where you can earn a little bit of money. But also, once you hit that 10K, you kind of gain some authority, legitimacy in the eyes of the TikTok algorithm. So your videos get pumped over to the FYP page, For You page, and gets in front of a whole lot more eyeballs. And once that starts happening, your follower account, your followers are going to grow exponentially from just the same work you're doing. And there is no reason why, if you put in the work, say if you started your account today, brand new account 0, there's no reason why this time next year you shouldn't have 500,000 followers or even into the millions. And another guy I know, he's got over 500,000 followers, and he gets paid, I think he said like $500 or $1,000 a month via the TikTok Creator Fund, just from activities he's already doing. So of course, if you're doing that anyway, you're already getting leads and traffic into your sales funnel. And then you start getting $500 basically for free from TikTok. Then imagine being able to have $500 or $1,000 every month that you can just use to pump into advertising, whether that be on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or Google, Yahoo, Bing, and scale your business up super fast. Another guy I know, Jonathan, another mentor of mine, he started online marketing I think he got in August of 2019. And at that point, he also started his TikTok account, started a YouTube account, all brand new. Facebook, all brand new, other than like Facebook, he was doing family stuff before then, but transitioned into doing business. He was a electrical engineer, so he was pulling in about 80, 90K a year. Well, from 9 months from when he started, he replaced his electrical engineering income and was able to quit and stay home with his wife, and who was expecting at the time, so with his young kids. So instead of being at work and stuff like that, he's able to spend time with his kids and still earn a really good income. And then at this point in time, he's able to scale it up, and he said his next goal is to hit the 6-figure per month. So 100,000 a month times 12 is 1.2 million a year. And he's a young guy. He's probably 24, 25, out of college, and with 2 kids. So you can imagine what he's going to be able to provide for his wife and kids. So, but that's TikTok. There are some things that you need to do, how to set it up properly. Below this video, I'm going to have a link to a TikTok training. It only costs $1, but the value of it is $2,000-3,000 for the information and what it's going to do to your business. I saw that and I was like, holy cow, that's impossible, because it could easily be charged. They could easily charge 900,000 and people would buy it, but they want to help as many people as they can. So but at the same time, they only want people to take the training if they're actually going to implement the strategies. Therefore, they're charging the dollar. You would be amazed at how many people won't pay $1 for a training that in 9 months could allow them to retire. So, but yeah. So how serious are you? Let's get going. Like I said, it's going to be the link below this video to the TikTok training for $1. So it's a good investment. Cheaper than a Coke at the gas station. So come on, guys. How serious are you about growing your business? Some people, who knows? All right.